Hey guys, so today I've got February's Fright crate box, February crate. Now obviously it is like kind of mid-March at the moment, but because this is an American box they just arrive really late. So I know that a lot of Americans have had this for quite a while now, but mine literally only arrived yesterday. So I'm going to show you what's inside. For anyone that hasn't seen me do the Fright crate boxes before, they are a little bit expensive. I don't get them every month. I've not got March's box coming because I just didn't like the themes of it. This one, I didn't love the themes of it, but it came with an autograph and I love autographs, so that's why I ordered this one. So the themes in here were Halloween, Critters, Edward Scissorhands and Night of the Demons. So there's 4 items. Just for anyone who is wondering, next month's is Salem's Lot, Jason X, Leprechaun, Rawhead Rex and Teen Wolf. So the only ones that I really love out of those are Teen Wolf. I used to watch Teen Wolf loads, but the rest of them I'm not really bothered about, so I'm not going to pay like £45 or whatever for next month's box. So the first thing in here is our t-shirt. You do always get a t-shirt. I get it in a size small, and this is what it looks like. It's the Edward Scissorhands item. So that is this. It is very cute. It's a little bit cheesy though. Not sure I would really wear it. It's a little bit like old gothic style. It is on a black t-shirt. It's one of those weird ones again that's like a dark navy black kind of colour, and it is just plain on the back. But yeah, it's pretty cute. I do like Edward Scissorhands. It's a great movie, but just probably not going to wear this. Might end up selling this. So that is our t-shirt. Next we have our pin. You always get a pin as well, and that is the Night of the Demons item. Not gonna lie, I've never seen it. I've decided now, every time I get one of these boxes and I don't know the film, if I've not seen it, I am gonna see it. So last month it was Idle Hands and Brain Dead or Dead Evil, or I don't know, I don't remember what it was called now, but I did watch Idle Hands because everyone kept telling me to. It was an okay film, pretty weird, but I'm probably going to watch the other one tonight actually. So Night of the Demons I haven't seen, but I will watch this at some point this week. So this is what the pin looks like. It says, Angela is ready to party, double clutch soft enamel pin, one of our personal favourites. So this is a Fright crate exclusive, it says. Has the double pin on the back so that it doesn't spin around. And yeah, that's our pin. It is a pretty cool pin. I just haven't watched the film, so I will definitely go and watch it because I know a lot of people are going to say it was probably a good film. So there is that. Then the next item, again, a film I've never seen. So this says, everyone's favourite small and furry creatures come to life in this amazing offering from Serial Resin Co. Now this is really, really cute, so I definitely do actually want to see this film. And it looks like this. It says Critters on the bottom, and he's just so cute. Look at him, he's like a little fat, well I don't even know what he is, a little fat critter thing with all of his teeth. I'm not sure if he's supposed to be like funny or scary or what, but he is absolutely adorable, so definitely will go give this film a watch at some point. Like I said, I'm going to watch last month's film first, and then I'm going to go watch these two out of here because he is very, very cute. So that's him. And then last item is definitely the item that I bought the box for, and my favourite item, and this is a Michael Myers autograph. It says, the biggest autograph we've ever had in a Fright crate, Michael Myers himself, Tony Moran, from one of the most legendary horror films of all time, Halloween 1978. It says that there's 2 variants of this, but I have watched loads of unboxings and everyone has only got this variant that I've seen. I'll take it out of this little slip so that it doesn't shine everywhere. Oh, it's still shining, but... So this is the autograph down here. Like I said, love autographs. I do go to a lot of conventions and stuff to get autographs of people, so this was definitely a reason I bought the box. I didn't know that It would be a Halloween one though, so that is really cool because obviously I think everybody loves the film Halloween, so there is that. It just says Tony Moran Michael Myers H1, just in case you can't read it. But yeah, like I said, it says there's 2 variants of this, but I have only seen this one. So if you've got Fright Crate and you've got a different picture, I would love to see it, or like let me know which picture it is, because I haven't seen other ones. So yeah, that was everything in this month's Fright Crate. Very small box, but I guess the autograph kind of maybe cost them quite a bit to get, so that's probably why there's fewer items than normal. They did say that the autograph classed as 2 items, because usually I think you get 5 or 6, so this apparently is 2 items worth, which is fair enough, to be honest. But yeah, just as a little recap, we have the Tony Moran Halloween Michael Myers autograph, we have the Night of the Demons pin, the Critters little fat critter, and the Edward Scissorhands t-shirt, which I can't show very well. There we go. So these 4 items in Fright Crate for February. Like I said, I'm not going to get March's one, purely because I'm not that bothered about the themes of it, but hopefully, fingers crossed, I will like the month after that, because I love getting Fright Crate. It's just that there's no point in me getting it if I don't like any of them. So anyway, yeah, I hope you liked this video, and if you did, then please subscribe. I will put all the info down below for Fright Crate in case any of you want to go and check it out. And like I said, if you did get the Fright Crate box and got a different autograph than this, like a different picture, I would love to know what it is, because I've not seen it. Yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.